Hi everybody, Brian here, and last night I stayed here at the lovely Port Orleans French Quarter Resort here at Walt Disney World, and I am just gonna give you a quick tour of the room. These rooms were recently renovated, like this year, 2018, renovated, and they have the vinyl wood look flooring that a lot of the new resorts. I'm starting outside because this room has a pretty decent view. Down there is my favorite fountain. You'll have to watch my resort tour for quite a bit more on that little courtyard right there. But this is my room 1348. It is a corner room, which does make a difference in these because I have not one, but two windows. The corner rooms in a lot of these moderate resorts, they do the double windows like that. Right below it is this nice little table complete with beads in Mickey ear shape. You do not want to know what I had to do to get those beads, by the way. And these nice little purple upholstered chairs. These look like they might be holdovers from the old room. A little more worn than the rest of the room, and that's kind of the color scheme of the old room. But two queen size beds. I really like this floor. If you've seen my other room tours, you know I like these kinds of floors. They are cleaner looking, they're easier to clean and maintain. And this one I think looks really nice with the way they have the wood trim going in different directions and the inside the square and outside the square. I think it was a very nice touch. Very simple headboards in here. Same with the lighting fixtures, which do have a little fleur-de-lis on them, which you might not be able to see on the video because it's just kind of a slightly lighter shade of white. Like a lot of the new rooms, not super Disney-fied, which I know a lot of people don't like. I personally don't really mind. I kind of like being able to find the little Disney touches. Kind of like some of these art pieces like this, Invitation to the Pork Ball? I think that says Invitation to the Pork Ball, 1887. Not sure. Don't know what that's about. Down here, three simple drawers. This cabinet right here is where the refrigerator is. Good outlets up here, two USBs and two regular plugs on each side. Very much like that because I often have a lot of electronics. Same over here on the nightstand. We've got two plugs, two USBs. Now I did actually stay here last night. I got in at like 1:30 this morning, so I didn't, film the room at that time of night. I tried to put the bed back together as well as I could, but if it looks a little weird, then it's my fault. It's not Disney's. In here is the bathroom, separated by a curtain. I would rather that be a door like it is in Caribbean Beach or Coronado, but better than nothing, I suppose. And the bathroom, oh, now you get two of me. Double sink, something I very much like. One shelf underneath for storage, another shelf up here that has the iron on it. Good closet space if you are into hanging your stuff. They have the nice little wainscoting in here. The floor down here is a tile look, which might be the way they were in the old rooms too. I don't exactly remember. And in here is the very modest bathroom, toilet, they go in bathrooms. Shower. Cool shower head, although not much water pressure. The shower curtain has little crowns and frogs. A very, very subtle Princess and the Frog theme on those. And like they're doing in a lot of resorts now, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash stuck to the side of the shower. I actually don't mind that a ton because I don't really take the things with me. But I know that is important to some people, which is why I mention it. Do have a ceiling fan in here, which is nice. It was a little noisy, honestly, during the night, but I don't mind. I like to sleep with white noise anyway. And then the art on the walls, again, not particularly Disney. Very nice. I like the way it looks, but I don't think this is anything particularly specific from a movie. I've been kind of looking at it to see if I could find like Tiana and Naveen or something, but I don't see them. So if you do see them in this video, you definitely let me know about that because I don't think there's anything particularly Disney in this room except for the shower curtain, which, like I said, is super duper subtle. And may maybe not even technically a Princess and the Frog reference, which is kind of the way they're going. Like I said, I don't mind it, but let me know what you think about this in the comments. This is a nice hotel room, although you are often paying north of $200 a night for it. I got an annual pass rate on it that I think was around $210, $215 in the summer. So I would expect a hotel room to be nice for that price. What do you guys think? Do you want these to be more Disney, or do you want them to just be really nice, which they are? That's it. That's my room. Thank you very much for watching, and be excellent to each other.